In the heart of a modern poultry farm, hundreds of healthy hens walk freely in a clean, controlled environment, calm, well fed, and cared for. Just nearby, automatic feeders gently provide fresh, balanced food to ensure their well being. As part of nature's cycle, fresh eggs are laid, and with the help of smart machines, each one is safely placed into egg trays. No stress, no rush. These trays move smoothly into temperature controlled transport, a clean vehicle, ready to preserve quality from farm to facility. In the next step, advanced Viscon technology helps sort and handle eggs hygienically, reducing human contact to keep everything safe and sanitary. A soft automated wash gently cleans the egg trays because cleanliness here is top priority. Then, deep inside the hatching facility, the miracle of life begins. Eggs are carefully incubated, and after days of warmth and monitoring, a tiny beak cracks through. The baby chick emerges, soft, fragile, and full of life. Clean water and fresh feed are waiting nearby as they begin their journey in a safe, temperature-monitored zone. Once strong enough, these little lives are gently transported to the next stage, cared for at every step. This is not just poultry farming, it's the future. Technology, care, and nature working hand in hand.